Without warning, on October 30th, 2007, Tropical Storm Noel crushed the Dominican Republic. Although the storm's center was only 25 miles long and it only carried mild winds, Noel dropped over 15 inches of water in less than 24 hours. Along the storm's path, there were roads, bridges, villages, and towns that were completely flooded or swept away, leaving over 100 communities negatively impacted. The pipelines to the southwest of the island completely collapsed, leaving them without water. In a matter of days, close to 100 people died and over 100,000 lost their homes. Within weeks, one of the worst epidemics of leptospirosis spread through the island, and over 300 cases were reported with more than 30 deaths. The complete devastation of the island is reminiscent of Katrina all over again. These are our brothers and sisters, and it's our responsibility to help in whatever way we can. Join us in helping to rebuild these communities.
If you wish to get involved, please visit us at www.empowermentforlifefoundation.org.